Is your home due for a design update, and you don't even know how to go about it? If you are on a shoestring budget like most of us, it can be a somewhat intimidating time looking for design ideas that won't cost a fortune. A lot of things can quickly add up, and before you know what's happening, you're way past your budget, and that might just be the beginning. But don't feel intimidated, we've done all the hard work for you. There are simple budget-friendly hacks you can use to make the process of redecorating your apartment a breeze. Sounds too good to be true, right? You may already have most of these items in your house, and all they need is a little tweak to transform them into trendy decorations. All you need to do is to put your creativity to good use and not your credit card. Without further explanation, let's begin. Here are simple and easy to follow decor hacks you can use to decorate your apartment without compromising your taste and style. 1. Decorate with succulents. Adding some plant life to your apartment is a great way to spruce up your space. You can always get succulents at your local garden store. You can have some succulents on your floating shelf or your newly painted nightstand. Even better, think of some colorful planters or ceramic pots you can use to house your succulents and thereby creating a more fantastic design for your apartment. Succulents are indoor plants that require deficient maintenance, plus, they are therapeutic as they detoxify the air you breathe. 2. Improve lighting for your home. Quality lighting is all the rave when it comes to improving decor and design for your apartment. You can replace an old lamp in your apartment with a new and better one. Proper lighting can bring about a good atmosphere for your home. Not to mention, lighting is cost-effective. You would be amazed at the new shape and feel your apartment would take when you use the right light in the right places. 3. Use floating shelves. Using floating shelves is a cost-effective and straightforward way to bump up the design game of your apartment. They are cheap and efficient, plus, you can keep almost anything on them, from coffee mugs to flowers to books, etc. Get creative by choosing the design or style of floating shelves that suits your apartment. 4. Make custom pillowcases. If you're looking for a great way to freshen up your apartment, improving the design of your throw pillows and pillowcases can make a huge difference. Chances are, you have some fabrics that are no longer in use in your apartment. You can repurpose these fabrics into making new, unique, cozy, and beautiful pillowcases for your apartment. When your pillowcases carry a new design or color, they'll have a positive effect on your space. 5. Paint. Painting your apartment is a powerful and inexpensive way to see results for your home decor project quickly. You can use some leftover paint remaining in your apartment to spruce up your wall or a piece of furniture. You do not need to change an item just because it looks faded, just paint it with a bright color, and it's ready for use again. 6. Add a bold and chic rug. You do not need to spend a ton of money to come up with a good carpet for your apartment. In fact, if you have concerns over costs, you can join some pieces of rug from your local rug store together, and make them into one beautiful whole. If you have little funds to spare, you can check out the online stores for beautiful rugs that are within your budget. Ensure to pick a versatile carpet and one that suits the design of your home. You need to know that your rug lays the foundation for all other decor styles for your living room. Rugs are essential because they define the space in your room. 7. Hang a mirror or two. Mirrors are budget-friendly ways to make your apartment look bigger. Put your walls to good use by hanging mirrors to open up your apartment. 8. Rearrange your furniture. It makes sense once in a while to rearrange the decor in your apartment. You do not have to leave a piece of furniture in one location forever. Just because you placed them there when you bought them doesn't mean you cannot move them to a different place to create an even better style. Play around with the decor in your apartment and try them with different positions. Just moving your decor to more suitable locations can freshen up your apartment and improve its look and feel. 9. Experiment with DIY wall art. Put on your creative garment and come up with simple yet charming wall art designs and frames to beautify your walls. There are a lot of free online printing services you can use to get your wall art design printed, and you can get them framed with inexpensive frames. Make sure that the wall art design you choose to print matches the color scheme of your space. To make things more fun and interesting, you can play with wall arts in foreign languages. Try using fast translation services such as the WordPoint to get the correct meaning of words, before hanging it on your wall. Not only will this add a bit of Sanchez to your newly designed home, but it gives you something to talk about when you have friends and visitors over. Final thoughts from the foregoing: you can see that even if you are low on budget, there are still a lot of fun ways you can always use to bring your creativity to life and remake your apartment. We hope you would put some of the design ideas mentioned above to use so you can give your home a new look and feel. One good thing about these hacks is that they'll not only make your home beautiful, they'll also teach you invaluable design and decor skills that you can use and continue to improve on. You can have a beautiful home if you desire, and there are so many budget-friendly decor ideas you can implement to make your home inviting for everyone. And it doesn't matter if you are pinching pennies, and who isn't these days? Request for quotes and we'll match you with a selection of interior designers. Click the link below. Renotalk wish you happy renovation. Thank you for watching.